In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the white background from a logo using Canva, all for free. This is an easy process that doesn't require any advanced graphic design skills, and it can be extremely helpful if you want to give your logo a more professional look with a transparent background. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Canva's homepage and log into your account. If you haven't got an account yet, it's straightforward to set one up and will only take you a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. It's time to search for a logo. You can do this by typing logo into the search bar in the middle of the dashboard. This will bring up a selection of predefined templates that you can choose from. Next, go ahead and select the logo template that catches your eye. You'll notice there's a button labeled Customize this template. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a creative space where you can tweak and modify the logo to your liking. Once your logo is tailored to perfection, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Share. It's important to select the right format for our needs, so navigate through the download options and click the download icon. From the list, select PNG because this format supports transparent backgrounds, which is exactly what we need. Hit the download button, and once your design is downloaded, navigate to a background removal tool called Remove BG. This online tool makes it incredibly easy to get rid of backgrounds from images. Simply drag the logo you've just downloaded onto the remove.bg website or upload it directly, and let the tool work its magic. Wait a few moments for the tool to remove the background. It does a pretty impressive job, leaving you with a clean, professional logo. Once the background is removed, you have two options. You can either download the edited logo right away by clicking the download button right below the image. Or if you plan to make further edits on Canva, click on the Canva logo next to the image and then Create Design. You'll be directed back to Canva, where a new design window will open up. Here, you can change the background color to verify that the white background has indeed been stripped away. Just choose a distinct color that will help you confirm your logo is perfectly isolated from any backdrop. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the white background from your logo using Canva and a handy online tool. This simple method doesn't just enhance the visual appeal of your logo, but it also provides you with versatility to use your logo across various platforms and media. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!